The heat's a problem. It has been for the last couple days. Across the weekend, everybody get a chance to be outside if you so elect. Well, the heat is worse here this weekend. So right now it's 96 degrees. The feel like is 101. We're not even to the noon hour. It is already 100 in Carrollton. Garland, you're at 97. Irving, you're at 97. We're well on the way to a 100-degree day. In fact, we're forecasting a high today of 110. Not only would that be the hottest day so far this year, that's the hottest day in 7 years. 110. The last time it happened was at August 2nd, 2011. 110 is so rare in July. It's only happened 3 times. This would be the 4th if we get there. It's going to be a very hot day. Another day of an excessive heat warning issued by the National Weather Service. 106, 112, the actual temperatures across most of North Texas, and the feel-like temperatures a few degrees tacked on to that. Stay in the air conditioning. Constantly drink water. Avoid direct sun. I know we say this over and over again, but you just need to listen on days like today because today is dangerously hot. Now, this is going to be the 4th day. I think there will be 4 days where we break record highs. We've already had 2, Thursday and Friday. Today, a forecasted high 110. The record's 107. Tomorrow, we're forecasting a high of 109. The record is 106. So 2 days in a row of really, really high strong conditions as far as this heat. Now, temperatures right now in Paris are at 91. I'll show you why it's a little bit cooler over there compared to like Denton and Bridgeport, where it's already close to 100 as in Gainesville. Now, there's thicker clouds on Paris, and the wind is starting to turn a little bit to the northeast. Everywhere else, we've got a southwest wind, and the clouds are starting to dissipate. Paris is a little bit closer to the stationary front that's going to get a little bit closer to us over the next couple days. It's actually going to get into North Texas. Now, this is a very weak front, and it stays up to our northeast today, hence 110. But as we get into tomorrow, it's actually going to get towards McKinney, Sulphur Springs. You will notice because the winds will turn to the east, but temperatures will start in the 80s and will warm up right back across the Metroplex to around 108, 109 record highs forecasted tomorrow. But Monday, this front not only comes across the Metroplex, it gets into our southern counties. Now, again, this is a very weak front. We'll still have triple-digit highs, but at least we're not talking about records, and we'll actually have more in cloud cover. And I dare mention this on Tuesday with that front around still. There's even a small chance of rain on Tuesday, afternoon thunderstorms, though if you look at the official forecast, you still see really dry conditions over the next week. And by the way, just because it's cooler, it still looks really hot the rest of July. We're still calling for above normal temperatures for the rest of the month. So you see that break, not a 100-degree day on Tuesday, but the 100-degree days come right back next work week.